This is the Critter Connector. The RGB Critter brand new Critter Connector allows for the connection of two Critter units back to back. It screws easily into the bottom ends of your RGB critters, and because it's anodized black, its color matches flush with your new critters. Custom made to allow for dual-ended bit whipping or Soul Saver staff flow. However, it works with any mix and match of our products, as they all attach to the RGB critter. Thanks for checking out this video. We're excited to show you our brand new RGB critter and all its amazing accessories.